This brand is made in China and is sold online through their website as well as on Amazon, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The units feature self-evaporating technology which minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket, but they use a single hose so conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They have auto swing louvers for better air circulation throughout the room and use an activated carbon filter to trap odors and improve the overall air quality of the room. They have sleep and timer modes for energy savings, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as planet-friendly as brands that use R32. The RHPA-18001 model is for cooling only with a 7,000 BTU capacity, but only a 2-speed fan. They have a noise rating of 60 decibels, which is the same as normal adult conversations. The RHPA-18003 models are for heating as well as cooling and have a 12,000 BTU capacity with a 3-speed fan and a 56 decibel noise rating.